Hello, so nice to see you. My name is Mikhail, and I wanted to remind you of my You Are the Healer workshop this coming Saturday from 1 to 6 p.m. Details are in my website. But I also wanted to share that more than ever today, as we see what's going on around us and all over the world, the pressures are building up everywhere we look. The pressures are creating pain, stresses, anxieties, fears, dysregulation, and even disease. And I always say, you are the healer. There is a healer within us. It's always there. Sometimes we don't believe it, that we are capable of being the healer. But in my experience, nothing heals until you become the healer. I'm just here to teach you, to guide you, to assist you, to give you the tools. And this is the whole point of You Are the Healer workshop. It's 5 hours with me. You will learn tools for the rest of your life. Tools of awareness, tools that enable you to interact directly with your nervous system and to start reconnecting yourself to it and the body. Tools that help you identify, your patterns and the patterns of your pain, the patterns of your suffering, and how change can also happen with ease. It doesn't always have to be difficult, and actually it's important to experience ease with change, with ease. Tools that also touch on the roots of your pain, which could be emotional, traumatic, create stress and pressure throughout the body. Tools that give you resilience to overcome your fears, resilience to overcome your pain, to overcome the suffering, to give you confidence, power. 5 hours of self-exploration in a safe space with myself and a group of courageous people. Give yourself that 5 hours. Come up with a bag full of tools to assist you in the journey of your life and to assist yourself. And as you become the healer, you can help share those tools with others. Your kids, your loved ones, your partners, extended family members, and even the community, because this workshop is open for everyone, therapists or just a layperson. Join me. Join me this coming Saturday again at Local Health Integrative Center from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. The details are on my website. And I'm offering, again, a sliding scale so everybody can attend. I made it accessible and affordable because I want to give those tools to as many people as possible. So if you can attend, share the link also with others who you think might benefit. Thank you very much for your time and for sharing yourself with me. I'm honored. See you soon.